thinner in the back, and we will join them. This is our row where we did 2, chain 2 to go up, and we will join them here. Okay, so it is nice and round without any openings. Okay, now we're gonna chain 2 to go up. Okay, we will do half double crochet, another half double crochet. Okay, now we're gonna 2 go on a fancy half double crochets, like this, and 1 regular one, two fancy, 2 fancy, 1 regular, 2 fancy, 1 regular, till the end of the row. This is what we have on the right side. This will be our right side. You see, we have waffles. At the end of the row, our fancy half double crochet, 2 regular double crochets, another fancy one, and 2 regular ones. Actually, yeah, we will do 2 regular ones. Two regular ones, and join. Oops. Join. Okay. So this is our right side. You see how nice our waffles look? But we will need another row of waffles, right? Okay, so we will continue with another row. We will chain 2, turn, and we will return in the opposite direction. Half double crochet, another half double crochet, and then 1 fancy double crochet and 2 regular double crochets, one fancy one, and we will repeat till the end of the row. Okay, regular half double crochet, 2 fancy ones, one regular one, oops, half double crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, and we will join. The next row that we will do will be the last one, at least for me. I think this will be enough. If you want it to be wider, you can continue, but I think that mine will have only 2 waffles, so the last one will be the other row. The next row will be the last row for me. Okay, 2, chain 2, turn, and 2 half double crochets, and then 2 fancy double crochets, one regular, and we will continue till the end of the row. Okay, we're finishing up here. So 2 fancy, oops, 2 fancy double crochets, one regular, double crochet, 2 half double crochets, closing up with slip stitch. Okay, so this is our side, our width, this is our band, but we need to, you see it's a little open here. We can close it, we can finish up with regular stitches. So we will chain around the regular stitch, regular stitch in every stitch from the previous row to finish up. This will tighten it a little bit. And it will look like this. So you see, it will be exactly as it is here. Okay, and do it till the end of the row. So we are at the end of the row, closing up, cutting the yarn, and finishing up. So this is how it will look like on the right side. Our nice waffles. That's it. It barely took us an hour to finish up.